My name is Judith Soko Muki and I learn at Mwambiti Vocational Training Center. My course is electrical wiring, but sometimes I mix with solar system. Every morning I start with my learnings. If I have assignment, I have to finish my assignment. I have to make tea for myself, prepare myself to go to school. I want to help the community with solar energy for the children to have a good education, because in my community or in my village, it's not that very rich. Today I feel happy because my teacher told me I will have visitors today. They come to train us about solar. The training is going to be conducted by the women, and I'm so proud of it because I'm also a woman.
Previous, girls were not given any opportunity in studying or in making their own future, but for now, I'm glad that I can learn something and use it in future so that those who are coming behind us, they could learn that they are also capable.
My favorite moment when I learned solar skills was in practical. I was just proud of how I connected the light and come out and light up. I want to be an electrician engineering and even a solar engineer.